Hello dear friends, and start with the is and equals. Okay, so today we are going to talk about difference between is and equals. Okay, what is it actually? Fine. Is means it checks, this one is, okay, is keyword means it checks the memory place. either they are they are having the same values, but of course their objects are different. Fine. So they will check for the memory space, okay, memory values, memory storage. Okay, so let's see. It is simply that is and equals are likely same. Okay, they both are the equality operators. Okay, but actual they are not same. Fine. Means is checks if both the variables points to the same object, whereas equal sign checks if the values for the two variables are the same. So means this equals is checking for the values, these are the values, and this is checking for the object. Okay, it is checking for the object. What are the objects here? These are the objects. Okay, so these are the objects. Either their values are same, okay, but these objects are different. Okay, so if is operator returns true, then equality is definitely true. Fine, but in opposite may or may not be true. So let's see the example and learn how it works actually. Okay, how it will work. So here I have three list with me. 6A students are, 6B here, 6C is here. So how to do that now? Okay, if I will say here simple. Okay, if I will say here that if I will write here print, okay, class 6A, okay, is equal to class 6B. So I am here checking the values. Fine. So what would be the answer here? Can you guess what answer it will return? Okay, it is checking the value, so it will give us false because the values are not same. Okay, the list is different from 6B. So let's run and see the output, what output is coming here. So it is saying it is false. Of course these two lists are not same, so answer will be false. Now what if I will compare the, so if I will compare, let me write here in comments values are not same. Fine. Now what if I will simply run another one? Okay, instead of writing 6B I will write here 6C. Fine. So what would be the answer here? Okay, let me comment it out and check the answer. Control S and let's see. So now it is saying it is true because of course 6A value is equal to 6C. Okay, so this is the use of, so I will, what would be the answer? True. Okay, if we are writing here, what was the answer? False. Fine. Now the thing is that, and what it is actually working, it is comparing the values. Okay, it is comparing the values and simply checking that is it same or not. Okay, the your true and false depends on that. Now let's see is, what is the meaning of is here? Okay, what is the meaning of is? What if I will write here instead of is equal to, I will write here is. Okay, so what would be the answer? Control S and let's run it. Now it is saying false. You can see earlier the answer was true, okay, but now it is saying false. Why false? Because these all are the objects. Now is keyword is not checking the values, it is simply checking these objects. Okay, and these objects are having the different memory. Fine. Not although yes, of course the values are same, but objects are different here. Fine. So this is how we can use this one. So let me correct it. It is saying false. Okay, so this is how it works. Actually, this is the difference between, okay, is and is equal to. Okay, so if just suppose if we want to see another example here, I'll give you another example too, so that this one only. Okay, now just suppose, let me comment this also. Okay, so next is now just suppose I am creating a empty list. Okay, I am saying here class 6a is empty. Okay, fine. Next, class 6b is empty. Okay, but my class 6c 6a. Okay, this is what I am saying here. Now let's see how to do that. So here I will use if statement. Now if I will check class 6a equals 6b. Okay, fine. If it is equals, oh, okay, then what it has to do, print true. Okay, print true because they both are empty. Fine. Otherwise, if it is not true, then what it has to do, else print false. Clear? Now next is, okay, now this is for is equals to. Now we will use here is. Okay, is keyword. So let's see, if bracket class 6a is class 6b. Okay, if it is true, then print true. Fine. Else what it has to do, else print false. Okay, great. Now again one more thing, if I'll write here, if, listen carefully, class 6a is class 6c. Okay, fine. Oh, two times I have written. Okay, if this is okay, then if it is true, then of course print true. Okay, after that else what it has to do, print false. Okay, great. So let's see what is the output here. Now I am comparing 6a is equal to 6b. If it is right, if it is meeting the meeting the conditions, then it has to print true. If it is not, then it will print false. Now here we are checking 6a is 6b. Then also we have to check. Okay, then we are checking 6a is 6c, then also we have to check. Okay, so let's save and run. Okay, great. So the answer is here true. Wait, let me, what it is saying, let me clear it. Okay, so this is the answer, means first statement true, second false, then third is true. Okay, third one is true. 6a is 6c. What does this mean? We already told it 6a. Yes, we are assigning the value to it. We are not using here double equal sign. We are not using this type of sign here. So that means we are already saying 6a is equal to 6c. Okay, we are assigning this to 6c. Okay, so that's why it is giving the true answer. Fine. Why it is false now in the second statement? This is the first. If it is true, okay, see it is saying 6a is equal to 6b. Yes, of course. Okay, if it is true, it is empty. This is also empty, so it will give us true answer. Second is saying 6a is class 6b. It is false. Yes, of course, the objects are having the different place. Okay, so we are not saying here anywhere that 6a is equal to 6b or 6b is equal to 6c. Okay, 6a. Fine. So this is another example here that I have shown you. Okay, this example I have shown you. I hope the concept is clear of and the difference is clear to you of is and equals to. Fine. So is basically it is a keyword, okay, that is basically compares the objects, and equals it basically compare the values. Okay, thank you.